Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MCEP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from, but want to get some updates here. First thing I'm going to do is just a little house cleaning, go ahead and get rid of these lines up here. Sure, those lines still pertain to the chart, they're just not relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere, so let's try to keep this as clean as possible. First update, though, comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance, and that's actually played out perfectly already. Price broke below it there, and then at that point is where you would expect it to act as resistance, and that is indeed what's been going on. So going into Monday, if there is going to be any sort of bounce, then the first key level to, that the price is going to have to break back up above is going to be that 60-cent level. And then those red lines that I deleted, those start to become more and more relevant. But as of right now, those lines are totally irrelevant until the price can at least prove itself in the near term. Again, quote unquote, prove itself being defined as getting up above 60 cents and staying up above it. On the flip side of things, where are some of the levels of support at? Main level of support now is going to be that purple line right there, which on my chart denotes the very famous 200 period moving average. And that's more so from kind of the overarching point of view. You want to see the price stay above there, because as long as the price is above that level, then that does imply that the overall trend is still in the bulls' favor. So, technically speaking, the price could even pull back here a little bit more and still be up above that purple line, and that would be perfectly fine. So that's going to be the key level to watch. If that level does not hold up, then the next area of support to watch closely would be that pink line there, which is the 200 period moving average, and that level is currently valued there at 43 cents. So not the best way to end the week, but it's not like the chart totally collapsed or anything like that, because again, the price is still up above that 50 period moving average, but we'll see if the bulls can try to get things under control next week and then make another go back up to those highs. But again, before you start talking about 75 cents and above, first price has got to get up above 60. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.